Greetings aficionados. In this video we are going to go through the process of solving challenge 3. The two letters we are given from the answer are R and A. R is the 18th letter of the alphabet and A is the first letter of the alphabet. However, it is before R in the alphabet, so therefore we are going to treat A as the 27th letter of the alphabet. It is therefore 9 letters after R, and our decoded spacing, our D space, is 9. Now, when the message was created, R was encoded to I, and A was encoded to T. Let's have a look at those two letters, I and T. So I is the 9th letter of the alphabet, T is the 20th letter of the alphabet, which means that T is 11 letters after I in the alphabet, and that's in the encoded message, so that the encoded spacing, our N space, is 11. We need to work out what the multiplier is, and that's done by working out N space divided by D space. Our N space is 11, D space is 9, 11 divided by 9 is not a whole number, so we need to add 26 to N space. 11 plus 26 is 37, 37 divided by 9 is still not a whole number, so we need to add 26 again. 37 plus 26 gives us 63. Divide that by 9, we get 7. Finally, a whole number, and that is our multiplier. If we look at the multiplier partner table, 7 has a partner of 15, which is going to come in handy when we want to crack the code, when we want to undo the effect of multiplying by 7 in encoding the message. But first we need to find the number that was added. R is the 18th letter of the alphabet. We have already found that the multiplier used is 7. Work out 7 times 18, giving us 126. Dividing that by 26, the number of letters in the alphabet gives us 22, and the 22nd letter of the alphabet is V. To get from V to I, we need to go forward 13 letters, so I is 13 letters after V. Or we could use A instead. A is the first letter of the alphabet. The multiplier used is 7. Work out 7 times 1, giving us 7, which has a remainder of 7 when we divide by 26, and the 7th letter of the alphabet is G, but we want to get to T, so we need to go forward 13 letters in the alphabet. So that tells us that our Caesar shift, or the number added, is 13. So if we look at the message that we need to decode, which is WIX TGJSV. So first of all, we work out each letter's position in the alphabet. Now, we've already found that the number added when encoding, which is the Caesar shift, is 13, and as 26 minus 13 is 13, that can be undone by another addition of 13. So the second row of numbers you see there is 13 more than the first row of numbers. And then comes when the partner comes into play. So we know that the multiplier used was 7. We need to multiply through by the partner, which is 15. So that third row of numbers is 15 times that second row of numbers. 36 times 15 gives you 540, and so on and so on. Then we need to take the remainder on division by 26, so 540 has a remainder of 20 when you divide it by 26. If there are any zeros in that fourth row of numbers, they need to be changed to 26. And lastly, we replace each of those numbers in that fourth row with the corresponding letter of the alphabet, and that decodes the message for us. Happy aficionadoing, and see you in the next video for the next challenge.